What's up, guys? One of the hardest things about anyone who battles chronic illnesses is that a lot of times our doctors, disability, Medicaid, public assistance, for housing and affordable housing, whatever, they don't see this part of us a lot of times, because more than likely when we're going, if we have to file this for disability and we go before the courts, 9 out of 10 we're not going to look like this. But this is our norm. This is the bulk of our persona, our persona in our day, in our week, in our lives, right? So me hates when they say, "Oh, you don't look sick. You don't look like you can't do this. You don't look like you can't do that." My right hand stays hurting. Like, do you see this empty water bottle? Just even, I'm literally not exaggerating. Who cannot turn a fucking cap on an empty ass water bottle? Like, I am really trying to turn this bitch, and it's my hands get so weak, like it's numb, it's tingling, and it's hurting because of the rheumatoid arthritis that lupus caused me, right? So it's like they don't see our suffering on a regular basis like we do. And so what? We may have a couple of good consecutive days. We may even have a couple of consecutive weeks. We may even have a couple of good consecutive months. But before they know it, and before we know it, eventually these chronic illnesses and chronic diseases will weigh on us. And me, I've been sick like this now for almost a week. And I'm just really upset because I'm sick and tired of being told you don't look sick, you don't look like you need this, need that. I'm going through hell in my life because of my health, and going through hell in my health. I'm sick and tired of these people in these positions who only gets to see me maybe once, twice in their lifetime, trying to dictate to me and tell me that me well enough for this and me well enough for that, and me not. You don't know what the fuck me go through on a regular basis. You only seeing me right here, right now. You don't know my struggles. You don't know that I be in chronic pain a lot of times. My back be about to lock up. I be hurting so bad I can't even hardly breathe. I can't breathe a lot of times. I have to use my asthma pump, and a lot of times they don't even work. And then I have to ball up in a fetal position just to try to get some kind of comfort. That is not living, But these assholes want to tell me I'm not sick or don't look sick. These jerks, these assholes want to tell me you don't look sick and don't look like you need help. Oh, you look healthy. Because they going about my size. First of all, if they knew the kind of medications that me take, they have fucking steroids in it, dumb bitch. My inhalers have fucking steroids in it. Don't you know steroids put weight on you? There's no healthy steroids. All steroids put weight on you. It put weights on you. It messes with your memory. It does things to you that that your body shouldn't even be going through. So yeah, I'm gonna look healthy as a fucking racehorse to you because of my size and my height, but that doesn't mean that I'm strong and I'm able to stand. Like, I was trying to eat yesterday, and I got so sick, like I couldn't even eat. I got so sick that I lost all the strength and energy in my body. Like, it went so quickly. I can't even It happened so fast. I don't even know if it was a few seconds or a sec. It happened so fast. Me had to immediately and instantly lay down, and my body just shut completely down. You know. But these assholes who see me once in their lifetime, maybe twice or 3 times in their lifetime, when they tell me that me don't look sick, fuck you. Even with all the medical reports, all of the doctor's appointments, all of the damn freaking medications. I don't know if anybody have seen me post videos or pictures of the medications that we have taken. Man, it is unbelievable. Like, we have bags, grocery bags full of freaking medications, okay? But let these people tell me you don't look sick. The fuck you know? You don't be here with me on a regular basis. You're not here watching me suffer like this. My family, my son and my mom, they're watching me every day, struggling, trying to put on a brave face, trying to act like I'm okay when me not, you know? Trying not to be a burden to them, because it doesn't just affect me. My illnesses do not just affect me, it affects everyone that I love. And seeing I don't want to live like this, especially with my son. He's so worried. He should be worried about college and his career, but he's like, no, Mom, I'm going to work because you're too sick. And he's more focused on me than his academics right now. And that's not fair to him, because he sees my struggle on a regular basis. And he's a teenager. He should be trying to worry about taking care of mommy. You know, he need to be focusing on himself. I'm so angry right now. I'm so angry and I'm so hurt. And I'm so disappointed, because it doesn't make sense in a country where I've paid taxes all my life. Even when I was a little girl, they was taxing my ass. You know, the schools get money off of me being there. You know what I'm saying? So I've been a damn fucking pawn for this fucking country since me was a babies. You know? And they want to treat us, all of us who are in this country that's going through any kind of illnesses or situation where we have to, you know, we can't just work like we want to, not because we don't want to. Bitch, me been working since I was 14. Like, you can't even go all the way back to my work history and see the Georgia Department of Labor and see that I've always worked. I stopped working when I got sick, bitch. What the fuck? Tell me what employer wants to hire somebody who is high risk. What employer going to hire somebody they know may just pass the fuck out on them at any given moment, or who may get too ill to stay and finish their job? You know, what employer is going to do that? You know, and it's like, it's really hard. And now the House of Representatives, U.S. House of Representatives, have now donated, I think, like, well, I have invested $14 million. I think it's more than that, but I believe it's like $14 million or more for the now further research of lupus and cure. And, you know, to find a cure, because they're seeing this shit actually kills. It's killing up these young females and older females. It kills, you know, chronic illnesses, any kind of chronic illnesses. Lupus kills, it disables, it fucks with your organs and your immune system. It fucks with your mind, your memory, and your ability to process information and stuff like that. And especially when, you know, you have to be kind of like fast task with it and sharp, and even things that words you know how to pronounce, simple, easy words, you know, it's like your mind gets stuck and you can't damn process that shit. Like that happens to me a lot. And me didn't understand it at first. I was like, what the fuck? And when when I started realizing it was the lupus that was causing me to have these memory lapses and shit like that, and mind freezing up, and I can't think, can't focus, yeah.